It's Friday night. You've had a long week. Your phone buzzes with an invite to a party full of people you sort of know. What is your immediate gut reaction? Do you feel exhausted just thinking about the small talk? Or do you feel a spike of intense fear that everyone there will judge you? From the outside, the result looks the same. You probably stay home. But on the inside, two completely different psychological processes are happening. Millions of people confuse introversion with social anxiety. They think they have a mental health disorder when they just need alone time, or they think they're just shy when they're actually suffering from debilitating fear. Today we're going to fix that confusion, simply. Let's start with introversion. The biggest myth is that introverts hate people. They don't. Introversion is not about whether you like socializing, it's about how you handle stimulation. Think of it like a battery. For introverts, social interaction, especially in large groups or with strangers, is expensive. It costs energy. You can be charming, funny, and sociable at the party. You aren't necessarily scared, but after a few hours, your battery hits red. You are physically and mentally depleted. To recharge, you must be alone or with one or two very safe people. Solitude isn't lonely for an introvert, it's restorative. It's where you get your power back. Being an introvert is a personality trait. It's biology. It's how your brain is wired to react to dopamine. It is not a flaw, and it is not something you need to fix. Social anxiety is completely different. While introversion is about energy, social anxiety is about fear. Social anxiety disorder is an intense, persistent fear of being watched and judged by others. It's the belief that in any social situation, you will embarrass yourself, and the consequences will be catastrophic. This isn't just butterflies in your stomach, it's a physiological fight or flight response. Your brain thinks the party is a tiger trying to eat you. You might sweat, your heart races, your mind goes blank, and you can't speak. The goal of social anxiety is avoidance. You avoid the situation to turn off the alarm bells. But unlike the introvert who feels happy when alone, the person with social anxiety often feels lonely and frustrated because they wanted to go, but fear stopped them. Social anxiety is not a personality trait. It's a mental health challenge based on fear, and it is something you can work on and improve. So how do you know which one you are? Let's look at the crucial differences in the exact same scenarios. Scenario 1. Giving a speech. An introvert might dislike it because it's draining to perform, but they can do it without panic. Someone with social anxiety is terrified that the audience is actively critiquing their every move. Scenario 2. Canceling plans. When an introvert cancels, they feel relief. They get their time back. When someone with social anxiety cancels, they feel guilt and shame. They worry that canceling will make their friends hate them. But the biggest difference is what happens when you are finally alone. The introvert recharges. The person with social anxiety often replays the social interactions in their head, agonizing over what they might have done wrong. Now, here is why this is so confusing. You can be both. Many introverts also struggle with social anxiety. This is a difficult combination because you have a low social battery and the few interactions you do have cause you fear. If you're an introvert, stop trying to force yourself to be an extrovert. Respect your battery. There is nothing wrong with you. If you have social anxiety, know that you don't have to live with that level of fear forever. It is highly treatable with cognitive behavioral therapy and gradual exposure. You can turn down the volume on that alarm system. Knowing the difference is the first step to understanding yourself. Which side of the screen do you relate to more? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped clarify things for you, hit the like button so it can help others too. Thanks for watching.